Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure both apps are current and two-factor authentication is active, because security steps will block linking otherwise. Once done, open Coinbase Wallet and tap the option to link or connect to Coinbase. The app will present a QR or deep link. Make sure your Coinbase app is unlocked and ready to approve external connections. This avoids repeated prompts. Finally, select the QR scan or open the deep link so the two apps begin their handshake. Next, you will authorize the connection. When Coinbase displays the connection request, read the permissions carefully and then approve if they match expected access. Once approved, Wallet may prompt for network selection and gas settings. Set a reasonable gas priority so transactions behave predictably. Make sure the displayed wallet address is yours, then sign any authentication messages or enter a verification code. This step proves control of both accounts and finalizes the secure link between the apps. To finish, verify the link. Confirm both apps show the same wallet address and check balances to ensure data sync. Then perform a small test transfer so you can observe gas, confirmations, and that funds arrive as expected. If anything goes wrong, don't panic. Restart both apps and try again, recheck two-factor settings, clear app cache, or switch from a deep link to scanning the QR code. These steps resolve most common failures and get you back on track.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.